For months, we've been hearing your calls for accountability for federal agents, including Immigration and Customs Enforcement, especially following the deadly shootings in Minneapolis, but also incidents here in our own Colorado communities. Thanks for joining us for Denver 7 News at 5. I'm Micah Smith.
And I'm Jessica Porter. Today, Democrats in the state legislature touted a package they say would hold federal agents responsible for their actions.
Denver 7's Colette Bordelon has been at the Capitol all day speaking with supporters of these bills that they say defend constitutional rights, protect immigrant communities, and build trust for all Coloradans. But as Colette will tell us, that's only one side of the story.
Abolish ICE! Abolish ICE!
In the same place where countless Coloradans have come to protest.
We are going to turn that pain into action and do everything we can to protect our neighbors.
Democratic state lawmakers unveiled a new package of bills targeting federal immigration enforcement.
This bill will focus on law enforcement clearly identifying themselves. And yes, that means not wearing masks and concealing their face.
The bills that will be introduced soon would enact violations when personal information is unlawfully shared, require reporting on the demographic makeup of immigration detention centers, and put protections in place from deportation when someone is traveling to or from places like schools and courthouses.
We have to take action as a state.
Usman Boss spoke in support of those ideas.
I'm originally from Senegal, West Africa. I came here as a refugee at the age of 6 and really came here to live that American dream.
He believes that American dream is in danger.
There's so many immigrants like myself whose stories need to be heard, and right now their voices are threatened and they might not be able to be here.
How much did what we've seen in Minneapolis play into what we're seeing here today?
We were putting together what is now called Senate Bill 5 in the fall, November, December, before Minneapolis.
State Senator Mike Weissman explained the bill that's already been introduced, which would create legal recourse in state law for someone injured during civil immigration enforcement.
It basically says where you have rights, you have to have a remedy if the rights are violated.
Senate Bill 5 came before the Chamber's Judiciary Committee on Monday afternoon, where the opposition made their voices heard.
This ridiculous bill may cause law enforcement to worry more about avoiding to get sued other than focusing on protecting the community.
And lawmakers were accused of political grandstanding.
I have followed the rules. I have respected the process. It is insulting to a lawful immigrant to see the state prioritize sanctuary policies that make our communities less secure, just to score points against the federal government.
Democrats have the numbers to pass this bill out of committee today, and if it makes it through all of the hurdles in the Senate, it still needs to make its way through the House. We'll have an update on what happens at the end of the hearing. Well, just last month, we told you about an online portal where you can report concerns and alleged misconduct by ICE agents. It's through the Attorney General's office. You can find it at complaints.coag.gov. We also have a link to the site in this story on Denver7.com.